If you are searching a sewing machine that can handle tough fabrics and heavy-duty projects, you've come to the right place. We've done the research and compiled a list that are reliable, efficient, and able to handle even the most demanding sewing tasks. Whether you're a professional seamstress or a beginner looking to upgrade your current machine, we have options for all levels of expertise. So, let's dive in and find the top 5 best heavy-duty sewing machine for you. In number 1, we have Janome HD3000 heavy-duty sewing machine. The Janome HD3000 is the best overall heavy-duty sewing machine according to our testing. It is suitable for a wide range of sewing projects including quilting, home decor, and garment construction. It has a powerful motor and a sturdy metal frame, which makes it able to handle thicker fabrics and multiple layers of fabric with ease. Some of the notable features of this sewing machine include an automatic needle threader and a stitches selection dial. The automatic needle threader makes it easier to thread the needle, eliminating the need for manual insertion. The stitches selection dial, on the other hand, allows you to easily switch between the various stitches available. This machine comes with 18 inbuilt stitches, providing plenty of options for your sewing projects. The HD3000 may appear simple, but it is a powerful sewing machine. It can easily sew through various types of fabric, and can even tackle 6 to 7 layers of thick fabric at once, making it suitable for upholstery projects. Don't let its simplistic appearance deceive you, this machine is a beast when it comes to sewing. Next, you've got the adjustable presser foot pressure. With this, you can control the foot pressure, which must vary when switching from lightweight to thick fabric. This sewing machine also comes with a wide range of accessories. Overall, we highly recommend the Janome HD3000 sewing machine. It is a reliable and high-quality machine that is perfect for both beginner and experienced sewers. It may not have all the bells and whistles of a computerized machine, but it more than makes up for it in performance and durability. Made from aluminum, it not only boasts a sturdy build but is also lightweight. Investing in this sewing machine is likely to be a long-term investment as it is built to last. Next up in number 2, we have Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine. The Singer 4423 is a highly rated option for those in need of a reliable, high-performance heavy-duty sewing machine. Its heavy-duty construction and powerful motor make it capable of tackling even the toughest fabrics with ease. The Singer 4423 model is part of the heavy-duty series and lives up to its name with a robust metal frame. This sewing machine is designed to handle even the toughest fabrics with ease, making it a reliable choice for those in need of a high-performance machine. The Singer 4423 is equipped with a powerful motor that can sew at a speed of 1,100 stitches per minute. This makes it a great option for quilting projects. In addition to its impressive speed, the 4423 also boasts an automatic needle threader and 23 built-in stitches. It's a user-friendly choice for those new to sewing. It also has knobs for adjusting stitches, stitch length and speed. The Singer 4423 comes with a variety of accessories such as a zipper foot, buttonhole foot, spool pin felt and bobbins. As it is an entry-level machine, it may not be as powerful as other sewing machines on the market. For instance, its stitches may not hold up well on denim. As such, it is not recommended for industrial use. The Singer 4423 has a proven track record of success, consistently ranking as one of the best-selling sewing machines for many years. With this in mind, you can confidently purchase this product knowing it is a reliable and high-quality choice. Additionally, the Singer 4423 comes with 25 years of limited warranty coverage, further ensuring your satisfaction and peace of mind. Overall, the Singer 4423 is a versatile and best choice for both beginners and experienced sewers. In number 3, we have Juki DDL-8700 Industrial Straight Lock Stitch Sewing Machine. The Juki DDL-8700 is a top-choice lock-stitch heavy-duty sewing machine for professionals and industrial use. It boasts a high sewing speed of up to 5,500 stitches per minute and a powerful servo motor for efficient and precise sewing. If you frequently work on large projects and have struggled with navigating small sewing machine bases, Especially when handling a lot of fabric, the Juki professional quality sewing machine may be a perfect fit for you. Its durable construction also makes it suitable for working with tougher materials. If these features align with your needs, we highly recommend considering this reputable brand's offering. Unlike some smaller sewing machines that offer a limited base with a free arm feature, the built-in tabletop of this machine provides a wider, flat surface to work on. This spacious tabletop eliminates the need for an external workspace and allows for more comfortable and efficient sewing. There is a central piece within the machine's tabletop that is adjustable, letting you raise and lower the base as you need to get those things done. Besides this perk, this machine also offers you an impressively high rotation speed thanks to its durable, high-powered motor. Users are also able to adjust almost every element of their stitches manually but very simply, allowing for total customization. This includes length, type, direction, and speed. The manufacturer also includes extra bobbins and durable needles that are made specifically to work on this machine. Overall, the Juki DDL-8700 is a reliable and efficient option for those in need of an industrial-grade heavy-duty sewing machine. Coming in at number 4, we have Singer 9960 computerized heavy-duty sewing and quilting machine. The Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist is a computerized heavy-duty sewing machine that is suitable for both beginner and experienced sewists. It is designed for experienced sewists who want to elevate their skills. It is fully computerized and has several advanced features including an automatic needle threader. It makes it easy to set up the thread from the spool to the needle with just the press of a button. In addition, there is an inbuilt thread cutter that helps you save time and thread. To complement the two features, there's a one-step buttonhole with 13 styles and a one-touch stitch selection option. You have 600 to choose from. You get a good number of accessories with the 9960. There are 9 types of feet, extra bobbins, screwdrivers, pin and felt, lint brush, and shank, among other things. Although this sewing machine has a metal body, it is not necessarily known for its durability due to its numerous high-tech features that may tend to break down. However, you can have peace of mind knowing that it comes with a 25-year limited warranty and 5 years of coverage for its electrical components. Overall, the Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist is a well-rounded sewing machine. It is suitable for a wide range of sewing projects. If you are looking for a heavy-duty sewing machine with computerized option, then this machine is perfect for you. And finally, in number 5, we have Juki TL-2010Q portable heavy-duty sewing machine. The Juki TL-2010Q is a high-quality sewing machine that is popular among both professional sewers and home hobbyists. It is a top-of-the-line machine that is well-built and easy to use with a wide range of features and capabilities. The Juki sewing machine is an excellent choice for both home use and sewing businesses. It boasts a sturdy design and weighs in at 38 pounds. In addition to its beautiful appearance, it offers a range of unique features and accessories not found on other sewing machines. Its automated functions and a maximum stitch length of 6 mm make it particularly well suited for quilting and heavy-duty projects. With a speed range of 200 to 1,500 stitches per minute and an extendable table, this powerful machine is designed to make your work more efficient and agile. It has a thread tension adjustment system and an automatic thread cutter. TL-2010Q is equipped with a microprocessor that automates the speed and provides skip-free sewing. This is the ideal machine for you if you make quilts for a living. It has all the characteristics one may need for this sewing activity. Get it too if you feel that you would like to sew slower on some sewing projects that need more detail. Juki is a timeless machine brand that every time is getting better. This is a reliable machine for any seamstress. Overall, the Juki TL-2010Q is a top-performing heavy-duty sewing machine. It is well suited for a wide range of projects and sewing styles. It is a reliable and versatile machine that is well worth the investment for anyone looking for a high-quality sewing machine for home use.